This is the second video on Christmas ideas for friends, family and other fellow gardeners. My first suggestion on this video is clothing. So if they're going to be doing outdoor gardening, obviously we will, a hat, sunglasses, protection for sunscreen and sun protection is very, very important. Suitable boots is also very important. All weather is critical, and also good grip. Make sure that they can walk around the area nice and safe. So actually, clothing does become part of the Christmas gift hamper if you're thinking of a really good gift. Now, the other thing I'm going to suggest for this video is courses, online courses, doing a horticultural course, definitely an option to go for. And the last suggestion I'd like to offer for Christmas are books and magazines. The topic can be quite wide in terms of the gift recipient's interest. So choose a book that will inspire them to garden a little bit more. It could be just on a particular group of plants, like African violets, like philodendrons, or roses, some specific topic. Otherwise, go for one that's more to do with garden design and inspiration, and more holistic in terms of native plants which cover all aspects. But there's 3 tips for today in the video in Paul Plant Horticulture. If you have enjoyed this video, please click the like button. And I'll do another video tomorrow on a different topic, but this is part 2 of the Christmas gift ideas. Cheers for now.